Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm reviewing the Motorola Edge 20 Fusion. So this phone is 6.7-inch touchscreen display and it is having the resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and it is having the aspect ratio of 20:9. And this phone is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 720 processor and it is coming of 8 GB of RAM and this phone is the operating system is Android 11 and it is powered by the 5000 mAh battery capacity. This phone is supporting the proprietary fast charging, and when we talk of the camera of this phone, it is packing a triple camera setup featuring a 108 megapixel primary camera with an f by 1.9 aperture and a pixel size of 0.7 micron, and 8 megapixel camera with an f by 2.2 aperture and a pixel size of 1.12 micron, and a 2 megapixel camera with a f by 2.4 aperture and a pixel size of 1.75 micron. The rear camera setup has autofocus and it is rumored to spot or it is spotting a single camera setup for the selfies. A 32 megapixel primary camera with a f by 2.2 aperture and a pixel size of 0.7 micron. And this phone is running the My UX is based on the Android 11 and it is packing a 128 GB of inbuilt storage, and this phone is tipped to be a dual SIM GSM and GSM mobile that will accept nano SIM and nano SIM cards. This phone is set to measure 166 by 76 by 8.25 millimeters height, width, thickness respectively, and weighs 185 grams. And it is set to launch in electric graphite and Langoon green colors. These two are the colors available for this phone. And connectivity options on this phone are set to include the Wi-Fi 802.11, A by B by G by N by AC, GPS, Bluetooth version 5, NFC, USB Type-C, 3G and 4G with support for band 40 used by some LTE networks in India. Sensors on the phone are to include the accelerometer, ambient light sensor, gyroscope, proximity sensor, and the fingerprint sensor. And when we talk about the processor, it is octa-core, and yep, that's all. And one thing, camera, it is having the rear flash also and the rear autofocus. Number of rear camera is 3, number of front camera is 1. And yep, that's all with the review. So if you want more videos or reviews like this, please subscribe and share with the friends, relatives, family members, whoever you know. And that's all. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.